We got some images of the Nokia 9 PureView from a very trusted source, and it looks interesting. An iPhone XS Max just exploded near Columbus, Ohio, and we're hoping it doesn't become a trend. It looks like Apple could be decreasing another 10% in sales this year. I'm Jaime Rivera. This is definitely the last video of 2018. We thank you so much for your awesome support and expect more content coming the day after tomorrow. This is Pocketnow Daily. Happy New Year. The official news today begin with deals. Those of you in the market for a smartwatch, you might want to consider going to T-Mobile because there are buy one, get one free deals right now for devices like the Galaxy Watch, which is one of our favorites, and then the Apple Watch Series 4, which is our favorite. You can learn more about all the deals in the description. Now let's talk about Xiaomi. The company has definitely been disrupting the market with its, really affordable smartphones that are great quality and just great units overall. And now we hear that the company is planning 2 devices for next year, which is tomorrow. Some point next year, that'll bring triple cameras, but we hear the interesting naming schemes like the Mi Mix 9 and the Mi Mix 4, for example. Whatever the case may be, triple cameras or more cameras are going to definitely reign supreme. Stay tuned as we've got more information on that. Now let's talk about interesting dramas as, it seems that the Galaxy Note 7 is not the only phone that explodes. If you remember, recently we covered that there was this device, this iPhone 10 that exploded after being updated to iOS 12. Now we've got the second unit exploding, now an iPhone XS Max that happened in Columbus, Ohio. The user had it in its pocket. Out of the blue, the phone just started burning into fumes and obviously caused them burns and everything. We're hoping he's okay, but definitely we'll see what Apple response to this. And speaking of not good news for iPhones, we've got bank analysts now predicting the future for iPhones. Bear in mind, we've heard Apple sell units in the 70 millions in like forever. For years now, and now we hear that they're going to get another drop in 10% in sales, which pretty much amounts to selling 40 million units. And since the company doesn't want to provide any numbers, it is definitely alarming for Apple, considering the fact that the iPhone makes 60 to 65% of their business, which is the main reason why they don't want to provide numbers anymore and why iPhones are getting so expensive. Obviously, demand has dropped, which is sad. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with Nokia. Nokia, welcome to the hottest news segment. You deserve it if this Nokia 9 PureView device is a reality. As now we've got famous tipster Evan Blass showing us all the goods. We see a phone with, I think, our 5 cameras in the back and a sensor and a flash. In addition, we see a front with bezels, but I'm not going to complain about these. They're better than the notch, I would assume. We'll have to see the final images in the end. And still, the biggest question is, what are the plans for all these cameras? Codename of this device is Beholder, so let us know in the comments down below. What exactly do you think that Nokia is going to bring with so many cameras? Because in my case, honestly, it's Nokia, man. I mean, the company has innovated in camera technology in like forever. We hear that the launch of this product is going to be January 10th, which is the anniversary of the company in reverse. So let's see what we get, but let us know in the comments what you think will happen. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again Wednesday.